everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fanny, and if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys do that. Today's video, we will be doing a tutorial on how I did my eyeliner. A lot of people always ask me, how do you do your eyeliner? And I just want to basically show you guys the way I do it and what works for me and the product that I've been using for a while now. So if you guys are interested in seeing how to do your eyeliner and apply mascara the way I apply it, make sure to keep on watching. Okay, so I already have all of my makeup done. I just need my eyeliner and my mascara. And since this video is just to show you a quick and easy way and the way I do my eyeliner, just wanted to record that part. If you guys do want to see this, I have something right here. If you guys do want to see this makeup look that I have on, make sure to comment down below so that I can create this makeup look. Let me show you the products that I'm going to be using. So if you guys have seen my other videos, you guys have seen that I showed you this eyeliner. So this is the eyeliner that I use. It's the NYX and it's the vinyl. I know they have a matte eyeliner, but me personally love this one. It's my favorite. I actually have one new one already in my drawer. Find this at Target, Walmart, Ulta has it, so definitely invest in this. Okay, so I have this, and then I have a mirror, and I have the mascara that I'm going to be using. I'll just go ahead and do my mascara as well, since it's part of the eyeliner look, so you guys will also get to see this. I will try to zoom in as much as I can so that you guys see. So what I'm going to be doing is the brush, it's really thin. Do you see that? And I love it. So what I do is I always start from the outer corner of my eye and I create a line, and you will see that. So let me show you. So I'm gonna start here. I already messed up. Create a line like that. So it's this first step. Then I'm gonna come from the edge. I grab more product. So just like that. You guys see that? Then what I like to do is I like to come like at the middle part of my eye. Like that. Then I can fill in. Hopefully it's clear. Just like that. I love it. Just gonna bring it in. Sometimes it gets on my eyelash. Can you see? Just gonna keep filling in. So I really wanted it thick, and that's why I did it so thick. Now here, I'm gonna do this. There you go. Now I'm going to move on to this side of my eye. And when I'm doing the other side, obviously I want it the same. So I always refer back to it. So I'm going to start from here. Move my hair out of the way. Ah. If you ever mess up, you can always go back. With a Q-tip and fix that. And I don't grab a lot of product because that can also mess it up. Fill it in. Feel. Do you guys see? This is a little bit thicker, but let me fix that. It's just a tiny bit thicker. There you go. And I'm just gonna do this part. I have makeup on my nail. Can you guys see? And this is the eyeliner. I always check just to make sure it's good and it looks good. Okay, now I'm gonna do my mascara. So I use a spoon to curl my eyelashes. And with my Sephora, and I'm just gonna apply. I don't know if you guys can see, I got a little bit on my eye, but we can fix that. We're gonna let it dry, and then with a brush, there you go. With a brush, we'll just go over that this side. You guys can see. Got it again, but we'll clean it. There you go. Okay, now with this mascara, the Better Than Sex, there's not a lot of product on the brush. I love this brush. I'm going to just push my eyelashes up. Oh, I love it. I love it. And on this side. And then for the bottom eyelashes, I will be using this one. And then I do 2 coats. I let this one dry and then I'll do another coat. So I'm just gonna grab this and gently apply it because I don't want it to get under my basically. There. I'm covering it. And I'm gonna grab this one again and just use the brush to push your eyelashes up. So I don't really use falsies. My eyelashes are long, but if you do use falsies, you don't want to apply. You have long eyelashes, you don't really want to apply a lot. And this is the look with. Do you guys like it? It was nice and easy. If you guys have questions or use a different eyeliner, you guys want me to try a different eyeliner, I can go ahead and do that, but I definitely recommend the NYX eyeliners. So I hope you guys try with it and then send me your pictures. Make sure to you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys leave the comments down below. Turn that bell notification on. And if you guys have any questions, make sure to send me those questions. And thank you for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye.